Looking for honest roofing company recommendations without all the sketchy ads and outdated info? Alright, so first off, when you're hunting for a roofing company, start by checking out local reviews on legit sites like Google or Yelp. People usually spill the tea on who's good and who's not. Next, ask friends or neighbors if they've had a roof done recently. Word of mouth is gold for this stuff. When you get a few names, call them up and ask for a free estimate. It's super common and helps you gauge prices without commitment. Make sure they come out to actually look at your roof before quoting. If they don't, run the other way because you want someone who's thorough. Don't forget to check if they're licensed and insured. This protects you if anything goes sideways during the job. Ask about their warranty too, because a solid one means they stand behind their work. Also, be clear about your timeline and budget. Being upfront helps avoid surprises later on. Lastly, don't rush. Take your time to compare offers and feel comfortable with the company before signing anything. One of the biggest mistakes people make with roofing contractors is hiring the first company that throws out a low price without checking references or licenses. This can lead to shoddy work or scams, so always verify credentials and reviews. Another common issue is not getting multiple quotes. Without comparing, you might end up overpaying or missing out on better service, so get at least 3 estimates. The third problem is ignoring the contract details. Some contracts hide extra fees or vague terms that can cost you more later, so read everything carefully and ask questions if anything seems unclear. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who've been vetted, making your search way less stressful. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, it helps you reach real customers ready to start projects, so everyone wins.